1981, my father and my grandfather bought a bakery on Cape Cod, and I became a third-generation baker at the age of 15, and was my entry into this business. Many lessons that I learned during those years. My father's skill at talking to people and being a business owner shaped me for the rest of my life. I'm always grateful to my grandfather for everything that he taught me those days. Spending time with him in the bakery were so special. My son is now baking, so he is a fourth generation baker, and he is a complete natural. It is so amazing to watch him create. Baking is very chemically driven, so it's very precise in its measurements, but there's also a lot of feeling of the product, a lot of feeling in your mind. There's a lot of love that goes into the product. It really takes a lot of effort to produce a good product. There are a lot of people that use minimum effort and produce an okay product, but it really takes something special to continually produce high quality baked products. The great thing is, whenever I'm baking now, I feel my grandfather with me. I have all those memories that are there that keep coming up. It is so special to think now that that's 40 years ago, and those memories are still clear. All the recipes, all the stuff we used to make, it's a lot of fun. Being a third-generation baker and being able to pass that on to my son and daughter, who are both amazing in the kitchen as well, is something very special. The ancestral knowledge that we can pass on just do nothing but make this world a better place. Don't forget to enter our amazing Father's Day giveaway. We got a nice bottle of bourbon, a cigar from my personal collection, a growler of cold brew coffee from O&A Coffee, and a class from me on how to make focaccia, one of my favorite things to make.